Stop the Spread, Importance of Hand Washing and Their Essentials by Denise Mathis, LPN to BSN student at Indiana State University, summer 2021. Learning Objectives. At the conclusion of this activity, participants will be able to list the steps of efficient hand washing with soap and water, list the steps of efficient hand washing with hand sanitizer, acknowledge the importance of hand washing, determine when hand washing is important, recognize the global push for hand washing and hand washing supplies. Please take a moment and complete this pre-test prior to viewing this presentation. Stop the Spread. According to the CDC, hand washing is one of the best ways to remove germs, avoid getting sick, and prevent the spread of germs to others. Let's give a shout out to Dr. Semmelweis and Florence Nightingale. Dr. Semmelweis observed that many women were dying of childbed fever after delivery. After many trials and errors, he discovered that hand washing and the cleaning of instruments reduced the transfer of germs, though convincing his fellow doctors was not that easy. Florence Nightingale was the pioneer of hand washing. While nursing British troops during the Crimean War, she implemented hand washing, which revolutionized the recovery of the soldiers. Among other cleaning methods she implemented, this increased the survival rates of the soldiers. The significance of hand washing. Hand washing is an inexpensive way to reduce the spread of germs and preventing illness. According to the CDC, hand washing reduces the number of people who get sick with diarrhea by 23 to 40%. Hand washing reduces the number of children absent from school with GI illnesses by 29 to 57%. Hand washing reduces diarrheal illnesses in people with weakened immune systems by 58%. Hand washing reduces respiratory illness, such as colds, by 16 to 21%. This is just a limited example of some of the statistics regarding the significance of hand washing. When to wash your hands. There's never a bad time to wash your hands. It is best practice to keep those hands clean. Ideal times to wash your hands are after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing, before, during, and after preparing food, before and after eating, after using the toilet, after petting animals or disposing of their waste, after taking out the garbage, before and after treating a cut or wound, before or after caring for someone who is ill, and essentially any time they look or feel dirty. How to wash your hands. There's a proper method to efficient hand washing. To begin, wet your hands with clean running water, turn off the tap, and then apply the soap to your hands. 2. Lather your hands by rubbing them together. Make sure you get the back of your hands between your fingers and under your nails. You may consider using a nail brush or rubbing your nails along the palms of your sudsy hands. Scrub your hands together to create friction. 3. Continue to do this for at least 20 seconds, or sing happy birthday twice to yourself, no shorter. 4. Turn on the tap and rinse your hands with the clean running water. 5. Dry your hands with a paper towel and dispose of that paper towel. 6. Get a fresh paper towel and use it to turn off the water. Your elbow may work just as well. So what are you to do if there's no water or soap around? This is not an excuse to not clean those hands. Alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol can be used. Hand sanitizer can reduce the number of germs on hands. However, they do not get rid of all types of germs. They may not be as effective when hands are visibly dirty or greasy. They cannot remove harmful chemicals like pesticides and heavy metals. Just as there is a proper method to use soap and water, there is a proper way to use hand sanitizer that's very important. Number 1, pump a quarter-size amount of sanitizer onto the palm of one hand. Number 2, rub your hands together, getting the tops of your hands between your fingers, and be sure to let the hand sanitizer dry on your hands. This is a short version of being able to cleanse those hands, but again, the key is cleaning our hands. Children are not the only ones that need reminding to wash their hands. The CDC has launched a national campaign to motivate adults to clean their hands. It is called Life is Better with Clean Hands. This campaign promotes the purpose of hand washing by re-educating adults of why hand washing is important, while reminding them of the consequences of dirty hands. This is a great opportunity for adults to be the role model for children. Hand washing should be taught at a young age. Children also learn by example. Global Hand Washing Day is October 15. Each year there is a special hand washing theme that is focused on promoting healthy hand hygiene. 2020 focused on health hygiene for all, which raised awareness for making soap and water available to everyone. Some frequently asked questions. Is bar soap better than liquid soap? The answer is, both are just as effective. Warm water better than cold water? Answer is, use whatever you can tolerate. The soap is what kills the germs. Which is better, a paper towel or an air dryer? The answer is, both are effective in reducing germs. Be sure to use whatever method you have available, since wet hands spread germs. Should I always wash my hands after I use the bathroom at home? Answer is, always wash your hands after using the bathroom, no matter where you are. Those are not germs that you want to spread. They can make people really sick. Now that this presentation has concluded, please complete this post-test.